What's up? What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a great day. I want to talk about some base memes today. It's been a little while since we talked about some base memes. Just kind of trying to go. I'm gonna go over some meme tokens that are on the base chain. Go ahead and give you guys an update of where they're at and what we're looking at over there on the base chain. Is possibly some plays, possibly some things to get into. So, without further ado, let's go ahead. Let's get right into it. Let's first take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market to get a feel kind of where we're at right now. Right now, we're currently sitting at a market cap of $2.08 trillion overall. Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is definitely sitting at 44, sitting in neutral, and Bitcoin is at $59,392, up a little bit on the hour, up about 1.8% on the 24 hour, and Ethereum sitting at $2,607, up a little bit on the hour. Looks like it's up 0.4% on the actual day today. And we have the meme coins, which we're going to talk about today over on the base chain. We currently, right now, are sitting at a market cap of about 36.9 billion. Let's call it 37. Let's not split hairs. 37 billion, which is down a little bit. And we're looking at a volume of about $2.5 billion in volume coming through the meme coins right now as the recording of this video. Talk about the base chain meme coins. We have to start with Big Daddy Brett, right? The biggest, baddest meme coin on base. Right now, not doing too well in this market that is currently pulling back about 784.5 million dollars in market cap, and it is doing right now about $459,000 in volume, somewhere up in there. Sitting at a price point about 7 cents, 7.9, teetering on that 8 cents level. I was so shocked to see Brett fall under $1 billion during this market pullback, but it definitely looks like it's pulling back a little bit. We're here on the hourly chart. And it definitely looks like it's pulling back a little bit more today on this hourly chart. Let's hope that we get a little bit of run up as we move on. But Brett has definitely continued to perform pretty well in this market. It's actually held up pretty well during this downturn. Fell underneath a billion and continues to fall a little bit, trying to find its new floor, which looks like it possibly could be somewhere right around where it is right now. That's 784, between 784 and 780 billion million dollars right now. So definitely looking to find that new floor as the market pulls back a little bit. So Brett has actually performed pretty well in this market. The next project I kind of want to take a look at is Miggles. As you guys know, Miggles came out of the box swinging. Got some push up from Jesse Polak over there on base chain, and also Coinbase itself still is right now sitting. Still is getting some of that publicity from the guys over there. Obviously, Jesse Polak and the base chain devs have got behind Miggles. Miggles right now currently is sitting at 2 cents, 2.7 to be exact, sitting right around a $26.7 million market cap, doing roughly about we're doing roughly about 652.9, call it 653K in 24-hour trading volume. So definitely a lot of volume running through Miggles. Definitely has had a pullback as the market itself has pulled back as well, but definitely looks like it's performing well today. It looks like it wants to put some green candles on the hourly chart today. Definitely performing pretty well. So look for Miggles to come back up here to this support line right here around around 3 cents, right around 3 cents, right around that 3 cents mark from where it is right now. Definitely has a good level of liquidity right around this area right here. So definitely looking for a good push up in Miggles today. But Miggles is actually doing really well over here on the base chain and putting a good amount of volume through the chain. One of the other ones we like to look at is Tim's. This is my lizard. I mean, this is my iguana. Definitely like to look at Tim's. Tim is one of these lower market cap ones that has really gained a lot of traction over there on the base chain since its launch. It's seen a roughly a $3 to $5 million market cap. It definitely right now is sitting at $1.2 million. Has definitely seen a little bit of downturn in here. Um, Current price is sitting at 2013, but definitely is still holding on strong and still putting some volume through the blockchain, which is what you want to see with these projects during these downturns. You want to see that volume continually come through. Sitting at 82.6K right now in 24-hour trading volume. So definitely has continued to put volume through the chain. And it definitely seems to be holding on between this 1.2 $1.2 million market cap and 1.5. It seems to be really liking to hover around them to that area right there, where it sits most comfortable right now as this market starts to regain itself. It really seems to really like to sit right there between that 1.2 and $1.5 million market cap. So definitely take a look at Tim's. Tim's is a lower market cap play that like I said, the volume is everything, and it continues to put a nice number through the blockchain over there as far as 24-hour volume. The next one we want to kind of give a little update on is Crash. You guys know I am big on Crash. And one of the reasons that I'm big on Crash is because during the market downturn, Crash really held its value, really stayed strong. Right now it's sitting at a $3.7 million market cap. And price right now is sitting at 2039. But Crash did not see the big downturn that everybody else seen. It pretty much held its level, which lets you know that the holders in Crash, which are about 218.5, uh, well, I'm sorry, the holders in Crash right now that are about 75.2K are really holding on to this project and are holding on strong and are actually buying the dips. You're looking at a 58.37K 24-hour trading volume, which lets you know people are really holding on and holding on to their Crash and also buying the dips, which is exactly what you want to see in a project that's getting ready to make the next move to the upside, guys. So Crash is one of these projects that when you get into one of these meme projects, just continues to grow. Like I said, it's sitting at 3.76 million right now, still low market cap for where I think Crash is going to go. And it just proves it during this last market downturn and how strong they held on to their levels. That Crash is one of these projects that are really here to stay and really here for the long run. So now let's talk about a project that we haven't talked about here on the channel yet, except for on the live streams, but has not been in a dedicated video, which is Coinbase's BTC, guys. Coinbase Bitcoin. Definitely Coinbase has definitely got behind this project, started to promote it with Jesse Polak and the rest of the base chain devs. They've really started to gravitate towards this project and really started to put some X post out about it and really started to really get some legs over there, which they've done a great job of. Right now, it's sitting at 3055 95. As you got, it's had a retracement, right? It's had a bit of a retracement, which you would expect to see. This is a newer project, as you guys can see here from the chart. It's only really been out for a couple days. This is the hourly chart. You've seen it run up here. You've seen it run up here, get to 20226, somewhere up in there, probably a little bit higher there, but we're just not going to split zeros. 2030, my bad, somewhere up in there. You see it started to come down a little bit and have a little bit of a retracement. Like I said, which you would expect, one in a down market and two with a newly launched project, right? Right now it's currently sitting at about a 551.9, let's call it 552K market cap. Right now currently has 23.35K holders, which is a huge holder count, guys, for a project this young, which lets you know that there's some good people behind it and some good people pushing it. And right now it's got a 24-hour trading volume of, check this out, 561.9, let's call it 562K. So there is a ton of volume that is coming through this particular project on the 24-hour level, which is what you want to see, because that means people know about your project. They're coming in and they're trading it, right? So definitely Coinbase Bitcoin is definitely a project that's worth checking out. It's a newer one on base. So it's going to have some ups, it's going to have some downs, it's going to have some run ups and pullbacks, but definitely a newer one on base that you probably want to check out, especially given the fact that the base chain devs are kind of pushing this one on X as well. The last one I want to talk to you guys about. I saved this one to last because it's actually one that's seeing a good amount of volume in a down market, which is absolutely a testament to the dev team, and that's absolutely a testament to what they kind of got going on right now. It's Moonboy Inc. Right now sitting at roughly right around a 58.16K market cap, which is extremely early in a project. This project has been around for a little while. We've covered it on the channel before. It's sitting at about 2.9K holders, which is an extremely small holder count. And it looks like it's putting around 550 54 K 500, yeah, right around there, right around 500, right around 554 thousand dot $554 through the blockchain in a 24-hour trading period. But the one thing I like about this project, and why I call it a sleeper, is it's been dead for a little while. Like literally, there's been no price action going on for a while, and over the past week, this thing has really started to move up. Last time we covered this project, it was at like 30 something K. So sitting at, so a big increase of $20,000. So Moonboy Inc. Good props to the team over there, continuing to grind, continuing to work, and continuing to try to put more volume through that blockchain, through the base blockchain, and grow their project. So I just wanted to get with you guys today, give you guys a little bit of an overview of kind of where some of our memes were, how they were performing in this particular market. That necessarily doesn't have a lot of volume coming through the meme coins is right now, but you can see some of the ones that were in definitely have some great volume coming through. They have some very good price action, and they seem to be holding up very well in this market that we're currently in. So with that, guys, that's a base meme update for you guys. Some of the memes that we're looking at, some of the ones that I think that are going to really be good and really stick around for a while. So with that, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give this thing a like, give the channel a subscription as well if you haven't already done so, and go ahead and share this thing out. Kick us up in the old YouTube and YouTube algorithm out there, and you guys have a great day, and we will get at you guys with the next one. We are out.